Can I actually build a PC that beats Nvidia's fastest chip in speed? China just made a game-changing move in the world of tech. They've developed a chip that's reportedly faster than Nvidia's top-of-the-line offerings. This news has sent shockwaves through the industry, and today we're going to explore what this means and how they managed to pull it off. The chip industry has been Nvidia's playground for years. They've had a significant lead in terms of performance and technology. Other companies have tried to challenge them, but so far, no one has come close. The reason is simple. Creating a chip that can match or surpass Nvidia's performance requires massive investments in research, development, and manufacturing. Nvidia's GPUs are not just popular among gamers, they're also the go-to choice for AI, machine learning, and data centers. Their dominance has made it difficult for competitors to gain traction. Companies like AMD and Intel have tried to close the gap, but Nvidia's head start has given them a substantial advantage. AMD's Radeon series and Intel's Arc GPUs are solid performers, but they still lag behind Nvidia's GeForce and Quadro lines. This is largely due to Nvidia's focus on innovation and their willingness to invest heavily in cutting-edge technology. Despite the challenges, the tech industry is always evolving and new players are emerging. China's latest achievement is a testament to the country's growing capabilities in tech innovation. China's new chip, reportedly named the Olympic, boasts some impressive specs. It's built on a more advanced manufacturing process, allowing for higher transistor density and lower power consumption. This means it can handle more complex computations while keeping temperatures and power usage in check. The Olympic chip uses a novel architecture that Nvidia hasn't matched yet. It seems to utilize a more efficient data transfer mechanism, reducing latency and increasing overall performance. According to early benchmarks, the Olympic chip outperforms Nvidia's best offerings in several key areas. It's particularly strong in AI and machine learning tasks, which could give it a significant edge in data center and enterprise applications. The implications of China's new chip are substantial. If it can consistently deliver better performance, it could disrupt Nvidia's dominance and shift the balance of power in the tech industry. A faster, more efficient chip from China could accelerate technological innovation across various sectors. It could enable more sophisticated AI systems, better data analysis, and even advancements in fields like autonomous vehicles. Geopolitically, this development could have significant ramifications. It shows that China is a force to be reckoned with in tech innovation, potentially altering global trade dynamics and competitive landscapes. The accelerated pace of technological innovation could lead to breakthroughs in areas we haven't even considered yet. In summary, China's breakthrough chip challenges Nvidia's long-standing lead and could have far-reaching implications for the global tech industry. What do you think about China's new chip? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech news updates.